Dear viewers, today's topic is how to choose the best insurance company. How to choose the best life insurance company. Consider financial strength, customer complaints, customer satisfaction, available policy types, available and included riders, and ease of application in order to find the best life insurance companies. The next task is to collect quotes among your top picks. This process will ensure you choose a company offering a policy that suits your needs and will be there in case your family needs it. Financial strength. First of all, check AM best rating for financial stability. A++ and A+ ratings are regarded as the superior, while A and A- are regarded as excellent. There are agencies who also rate insurance companies. Among them are included Moody's, Fitch, Standard & Poor's, and Demotic. Customer complaints. Customer complaints are used by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, uses to create the NAIC Complaint Index, which denotes indication of whether a company received more or fewer complaints than expected, calculating its market share. If an index is lower than 1, it indicates that the company received fewer complaints than expected, whereas a number over 1 means it got complaints more than expected. The higher the index is, the more the customers complain, and vice versa. Customer satisfaction. Though not all companies are ranked for customer satisfaction, check sources like J.D. Power's 2022 US. Individual life insurance and individual immunities studies in order to see if they are the companies you are considering. At a glance, you can understand how a company ranks compared to others when it comes to a study of customer satisfaction. Available policy types. At first, decide what type of insurance you need. Afterwards, make sure each company you are considering offers it. At the same time, note that a whole life policy with one company may be different from a whole life policy with another. No matter whether policies between companies have the same name, but each company tries to make its product stand out. Make sure the efforts they have suit your needs. Available and included riders. Keep in mind that same named policies can differ. For example, a universal life policy with one company could include a generous accelerated death benefit rider at free of cost, but UL policy with another company may not have the same option. Similarly, a term policy with one company may allow you to have it converted to permanent coverage, but a term policy with another company may not have the same option. It is advised to research riders to know what they are paying for. Ease of application. Sometimes the application process could be the biggest barrier to getting a life insurance policy. Sometimes it is better to get some coverage in place, especially if you have dependents, than to find the absolute best coverage you can. If you think you are too busy for a medical exam, look for such companies that do not require one. If you think you are healthy, it is better to choose a company that requires a medical exam or offers an accelerated underwriting process. What I mean is that the insurance company will take your health into consideration, which could significantly reduce your rate. Okay, thank you viewers.